Okay, let's see what's in our Womple box. Oh.
There's
A new keychain?
yeah. And
Let's see
it's
it.
a little fish.
Ooh, a little fish. Okay.
A creepy looking fish.
A creepy looking fish.
Crayons.
Crayons.
These are the ones that were from a restaurant, so you can.
Oh yeah, those look like crayons from restaurants. Yeah.
And then there's like this.
That must be for
frog
craft.
thing, yeah.
Okay.
And I don't know what this is.
I think that's a jump rope. Is that a no? That's
This
not
is
a jump
for
rope. Okay.
frog.
So
We're making a frog.
a frog.
Good thing that there's a dream. And then because there's the journey in the Jungle Book.
Oh, Brazil. Ooh, Brazil this month.
And there's stickers too.
Ooh, okay.
And then there's this thing that tells you all about Brazil. And it shows you pictures and the continent and the population and the national language, capital city, and currency.
And then open that up. Show us the rest of it.
And then there's a huge map.
Yep, a huge map of the country. Very good.
We can
And
even,
so that's when we do
we can even follow
the stickers. Yep.
That's when we do the stickers.
That's when we do the stickers.
Goes with it.
Yep.
And then
Wait, show the other side too.
okay. And then it goes the frog. Oh, look at this. I love this bird. It's one of my favorites.
So it teaches us about the country.
And I think animals, maybe.
Yeah, looks like we're gonna learn about some animals in
And
this one.
probably what this means.
Right?
Wait. I'm gonna look at these actually.
So we're gonna be learning about food, nature, and culture.
And frogs and whatever this is. A crocodile.
Let me see, what is that?
Frogs are
That
not
is a green anaconda. That's a snake.
And then there's
And a postcard for the next
postcard.
month is India. So that's cool.
How
Okay.
can we take this apart so we can eat it?
No, you don't take it apart. You keep it together.
So we can both try. I love the hooks. I want to hook them on.
Well, maybe one can make the anaconda and one can make the frog.
Mom, I want to do the frog. I want to do the frog.
You guys ready to start?
Yeah, we should, like, since we have a bunch of these, I have one upstairs because I was playing with it, with my toys, but we should hook all of these together since we've already had like 3 Womple boxes and put them on one chain, and we should just clip them on to the chain, like the chains like you have on those.
Yeah, maybe, and then you
things.
can review, like you can be reminded of what countries you studied.
Because these are cool. I
Yeah,
like
they
to
are
look
cool.
at them.
I know, they are cool. Okay, well, let's get started then.
Can we do this one first? Wait, I know what this goes.
Well, I think we should do our map work first. What do you think?
Oh, yeah.